Hi and welcome. My name's Tolan and I'm the co-founder of Productivity Me. In this video, we're going to look at the keyboard shortcut of Ctrl up arrow, which will allow you to move to the top edge of any data region. So with that, let's get started. All right, so we are here in Excel, and again, we have a couple of different data series. We have this first data series, which we have ebook sales, a second data series, which has similar ebook sales, and then this is just a duplicate. So in our previous videos, we look at Control right arrow and Control left arrow to move to the rightmost and leftmost edges of our data region. There are equivalents for moving up and down to the top and bottom edges of our data region. If we want to move to the top edge of our data region, we would press Control up arrow, and that would move to the top set of our data region. Now, if this was all merged, this isn't going to work very well actually, but if this was a single cell and we had merged it, then when we move to the top of the data region, it would include that cell. However, previously, you'll notice that this is blank, this is blank, this has the title, this is blank, this is blank. Excel assumes that this region here is our data region and that this is superfluous or auxiliary or ancillary, right? Anyone who can tell me how to pronounce that word in our comment section gets bonus points. By bonus points, I mean I'd really appreciate it because clearly I can't speak English very well, but that's okay. We're looking at Excel here, and if we wanted to go to the top of a data region, one way to do that would be to press Control up arrow. It would move to this top section. In this case, it would be W2, which is a tax form in the US. So, our pay form, I guess. Again, if we press Control 1, it would move to the topmost region of our data set, no matter where we are. So we can be at the bottom here on 141. Control up arrow will go to the top. We can be on here on number 11. We'll be at the top. If we had a data set here and we want to go to the top of or the bottom of our next data set, we could press Control up arrow. Control up arrow would go to the top of our data set, go to the next data set and the next data set. So it's kind of cool actually if you have, say you have some data and then you have a huge break in the data before your next data set. So here we have a huge amount of cells between our two data sets. We can just press Control up arrow, Control up arrow, Control up arrow, Control up arrow. And as we'll discuss in our next video, we can press Control down arrow, and this can be really efficient because currently you're on row 15, you go to row 53, rather than scroll up manually, you can just press Control up arrow. This is a little bit faster perhaps than pressing Alt page down, rather page down, page down, page up, page up. Alternatively, you can just scroll up with your mouse and then click on the region or the individual cell that you'd like to go to. All right, so in this video, we looked at the keyboard shortcut Control up arrow to go to the top of a data region. We then looked at how we could use this to jump between multiple data regions, such as Control up arrow, Control up arrow. And then lastly, we looked at if you did not want to use the keyboard shortcut Control up arrow, or you perhaps forgot the keyboard shortcut, you could manually scroll up with your mouse and click. In our next video, we'll look at the equivalent of going Control down arrow in order to jump to the bottom edge of a data region or the top edge of a second data region. So check that out in our next video. And as we like to say, thanks for watching. Cheers.